bust it, bust it, bust it. Is you fuck it? 2 shots, fuck it, bust it, bust it, bust it.
Hey guys, it is Chrissy K and I am back with my first video of the new year. So it's a new year, it's new products. NYX got some new brow products. They got the brow glue and they got the lift and snatch to snatch the brows, right? And they also have this lip duo. Actually, it's supposed to be a transfer proof lip gloss. There's a lip gloss color and then there's the clear sealer. So we are going to see what those things are about, and then you know while we're here we're trying new stuff. We're gonna go ahead and try this Idôle from Lancôme, which Zendaya is the face of. She is the face of that fragrance, and also now this new mascara. Absolutely adorable. I'm a big fan of Lancôme mascaras already, so I'm sure this won't disappoint. With that said, you guys, if you want to see the finished look with these products and know if I like them and recommend them, keep watching. So I'm going to start with the lift and scratch, and you're supposed to do like brow strokes, so I'm assuming it's something like microblading. My brows are microbladed, but they're kind of faded out, so let's see if this is going to help me enhance that, and then I'm going to set it with the brow glue. So let's see what we're talking about here. Okay, I see the little hair strokes. Okay, so the thing about this is like, how many hair strokes are you supposed to have? Like, I do them, I guess, at the top. But like, I don't know that I want them all through my brow. I think the top can be like this. But I also don't know that I want this fully through my brow. I'm gonna do it like that because I don't really have brow hairs anyway. Like I said, I got microblading. I'm just gonna take a brow pencil and I'm gonna fill in the rest of my brow because I don't want that all through my brow. Hold on. All these brow pencils and I can't find one. Okay, cool. Back, found one. I'm just gonna take this and I'm gonna fill in the end of my brow. Fill in my arch and also to define the shape. I haven't watched no videos on this stuff, so I'm just doing this blindly. I might be doing it wrong, but the average person does not watch a video. They just pick some shit up and try it. So that's what I'm doing. Now that I got that going, I'm gonna pick this other one back up. Brow glue, what does it say? Non-sticky transparent formula. These things are never easy to open. One day I'm just gonna open these things. Okay, finally got it open. Now let's see what it's talking about with these brows. See if it like blends out my hair strokes because it's kind of a mess. Okay, it's blending in my little strokes. I will say, ooh, okay, my brows do look a little fuller. Oh, I got one right there. I got to blend it out. I like, for whatever reason, this one is a little thick. That might be my own fault. I have to slim that down a little bit. Take a little bit of concealer. I mean, it looks good to me. My brows do look a little bit more full. I will say that It does look like more hair than brow pencil, at least in my opinion. Now let's get into this. Again, I didn't read any directions, but I feel like common sense would tell me that you're supposed to use this one and the other one. But I do need a liner, because if I put this on like this as is, it's gonna blend into my skin. Let me grab me a liner. Hold on. I should have had it in my bag. Got me a little liner. Just line these little lips. For a nude lip, I'm always gonna put on a brown liner. Actually, I put on brown liners with everything, even reds. They just make everything blend so well. So let's try it out. Oh, that is pretty. What shade is this? This comes in like 20 shades, I think. This is the shade Global Citizen. It's so freaking pretty. And then I'll put this little glossy gloss on top of it. Oh my god. Alright, I'm gonna let this dry, because this is supposed to be transfer proof. I'm gonna see if this dries. I'm not sure if it's supposed to dry, if it's supposed to be glossy. I thought it was a glossy. It is called gloss, right? Shine out loud, so it's supposed to be shiny and non-transferable. I'm gonna give it a second and see what it does, you guys, and then I will be back. But before I do that, let me get up close and personal so y'all can get into these eyebrows. I am a fan. My eyebrows are actually popping. I'm excited to show off these brows today, but I'll be back in a second about these lips. Okay, y'all, so I'm back, and I actually did what I should have did in the first place, to watch a video. You're supposed to let this sit for 30 seconds first, because I just tested it. It wasn't kiss proof. I wasn't gonna do y'all like that. I wanted to actually follow the right directions, so try this again. Let it sit for 30 seconds. And I'm applying some mascara while I wait. Look at this brush with a little curve. Bomb. Alright. Let's see what it do. Hit these bottom lashes. Does anybody know why we open our mouth to put on mascara? Like, it's the creepiest thing. I don't know why. I wish I could stop, but I can't. And then I'm just gonna put a little bit on the top to blend in my lashes with these. I think it's safe to say it's been like 30 seconds. Let's try this again. I do love this color though. Let's do this kiss test. I don't think it's coming off. Let me see, put it right here. I don't see any color, but it is almost my color. I think it works, y'all. Kiss proof lips in the pandemic, as we're wearing these masks every day. So I would say this looks like a lipstick you can wear underneath the mask. And this also is a lipstick you can kiss on your boo with. Because you know they don't like that lipstick stuff on them. They'd be like, get that off me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, go ahead and make sure you give it a thumbs up if this product worked. And if you got friends asking about this product, go ahead and make sure you share this video with them. Guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!